So they did actually do air raid drills here, but as the sign I have up there says, people here never had to sit long enough to hear the bombs going, so in a minute you'll hear the distant bombs that they would have listened to from England. But they'd sit down here and they would play cards. These are Red Cross manufactured, or Red Cross stamped cards. There's a battlefield map. This is the exit routes from Vancouver in the case of an emergency. So they would sleep down here. I've actually had 3 people say that they remember being in these air raid shelters.